Hello everyone. Today we are going to build a simple personal profile card using HTML and CSS. This project will help you understand real website layout, box model, and Flexbox alignment. Let's start coding step by step. Here I am linking my CSS file. See. Here I link my CSS file so all styling will come from external file. Now I will create the main container is called card div, giving it class name card. This card will hold all our content like image, name, bio and button. Now I am adding profile image. I'm using Unsplash free image source. You can copy image address from Unsplash or Pixels. Now, now I will add the name using heading tag. Alina Khan. This is main identity of our profile card. Now I will add short description. This is bio. This gives information about the person. Now I will add two buttons. One button is follow, second button is contact. Now let's style everything using CSS. Font family, Arial. Here I am adding display flex, justify content, center, align items, center. Now I am adding height, 100 VH. Now here I am adding background, purple. Flexbox help us center content vertically and horizontally. Now I will design the card box dot card background white width 320 padding is 20 pixel text align center border radius 15 pixel. Now here I am adding box shadow. This gives modern card look with shadow and spacing. Now I will make image circular. Dot profile image width is 120 pixel, height is 120 pixel. Now here I am adding border radius 50%. Now here I am adding border. Now I will style button dot ptn adding margin 5 pixel border none. Now here I am adding background color aqua. Now here I am adding color white, border radius 5 pixel, cursor pointer. Save, open with live server So guys, see output. Our profile card is ready. If you understood this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.